thirsty, trying to choose. I mean, I know I'm principled. My nitty bag, my candy boots. I got the juice, I got the juice.
So, just picked up a cat in my truck, Ratchet S10, because mine, the inside, there's nothing in it. Well, there is, but it's all broken. It's a direct fit. It's like $250, something like that, which isn't bad. So this is my cat right now. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's not supposed to be like that. On the ramp. Monster truck status right now. So in Connecticut, unfortunately, you have to have your exhaust go over the end of your axle. At least on trucks, I think so. Legally. So we gotta mark all this up, cut it, release, mark new cat up so it lines up with this, and then weld that and the new cat to that, and then yeah. So this should be fun. So we got this all done, marked up. Here. Notice one thing is the sensor's kind of fucked. Rust. So that's gonna be fun trying to pull out. And we got a disconnector over here. Thank God I put new bolts in it when I did this part of the exhaust, so it should slide out. Hopefully. Oh wait, yeah, it will. It's only being held in by that piece of wire. So as of now, I got this rubber clip and that fucking rubber clip. These things won't come off, so I'm probably gonna PB blaster it till it slides off. Get it nice lubed. I'll be back. So after about 5 minutes of fucking getting these off the clips, finally got off. I was exhaust set up now. Got a new cat. And of course, inside doesn't look shot, but it is. You're not supposed to be able to do that. So next step is break this off, get that out, get rid of this, weld everything back up. I guess that'll be part 2. Alright, see ya.